Hi, I'm Victoria Flagg. I am a network administrator for 3 airports and several marine ports here in Oregon. I am also an instructor for a local community college. I teach for the Limited Energy Electricians program. I make sure that I interact with friends. I've been learning to cook. I knit at times, anything creative. I don't think I fully thought about how fun it would be to work at an airport, let alone the marine ports as well. But I am behind the scenes everywhere and still trying to study for the CCNA. I have to train because I need it for myself, but I have to learn a balance of taking care of me and taking care of others. I can really only take care of others if I'm taking care of me as well. On lunchtime, I try to watch a video. Jeremy is the one who endeared me to CBT Nuggets, and Keith is equally endearing. I trust the videos that I'm watching when I'm watching them, and I laugh. They're not all funny, it's not a comedy, but there's humor, there's life put into these videos. You don't sleep. So I got matched up with a coach. My coach and I met up again once a week. We would Skype or something similar. It's helpful to have someone that you're accountable to. It's not like it's the end of the world if I let this person down, but it's just knowing that you're syncing up and saying, hey, I actually did that thing you suggested. Jack is a friend, and it's like CBT Nuggets offered me, here's your friend who will also help you. I have found this CBT Nuggets to give me the correct information in fun ways and in multiple ways too. The Slack community, little videos, access to practice tests, and now the little quizzes that they have. I didn't actually envision myself in IT. IT needs people with lots of different backgrounds. So we need women. IT is always changing dramatically, specifically networking. We are going to need more and more people that understand business processes in IT. I am learning to take care of me, love networking, and enjoying life.